This is Val. This is the first time I'm actually on camera. Last time it was just my eyeball, so this is the real me. Sorry to disappoint. Okay, I look a mess right now. I'm sorry, we're gonna fix it. This is gonna be a get ready with me. I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna do another makeup tutorial, a little bit more colorful. My last video was just, sorry if you see this, I'm in my pajamas. My last makeup tutorial was just a basic everyday look, not a lot of makeup.
For school, for work, simple.
If you wanna see something more colorful, today's the day. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna jump right into foundation. I don't wear primer usually. I don't believe in it and it makes my makeup run more. For foundation, I use the Conceal and Perfect by Milani. It's a drugstore product. I think it's $8. I'm not sure. Here it is. Hope you can see that. I know I'm running out. I'm gonna put some pumps on my hand like that. For application, I'm gonna use a brush instead of a beauty blender. Mine got super dirty. It had holes in it and I decided to throw it away. Haven't gotten a new one since.
I just go right to it, you know? Just grab some powder, swirl it in there.
Then I tap it in, taking away any streaks. I do circular motions while we're rubbing the wrong shade all over my face. I wanted to go ahead and talk about myself a little bit since no one knows me. I'm actually 20 years old. I talk like a little girl, but trust me, I'm not.
I'm gonna go ahead and blend it down a little bit because it doesn't look like it's my shade.
Since I'm not a actual YouTube channel yet, sorry if my lighting and my quality sucks. Right now I'm using like a house lamp as my lighting. By the way, I'm not using concealer. Since I'm using the Conceal and Perfect by Milani, I'm also concealing with it. Slap it on there and tap. I keep forgetting that I'm trying to get to know you guys. What do YouTubers talk about in their YouTube videos? Please let me know because I have no idea. Starting this YouTube thing, I thought it would be easy. The last video that I made is not that good, but it took me forever. It took me 5 days to edit. Oh yeah, for powder. For powder, I'm using the Fit Me Loose Setting Powder in Fair. Just gonna pat that in with a big brush. What brush am I using? It Cosmetics brush number 211. It Cosmetics brush. We're about to look very, very dead and dry. I am filming this at 3:44 a.m. Picking out this bad boy here. Since it is summertime, I think I'm gonna do a sunset look. I'm gonna start with orange shade in the middle. I'll include it somewhere in the screen because I don't know the names. It's gonna be down here. On a packing brush, this is from It Cosmetics. It's like the double-ended one that comes in a pack. I really like them. I have a Morphe brush. I tried this Morphe brush. It's number 518. I hate it. It's so rough compared to the It Cosmetics brushes. They're so soft. So Morphe is not my thing, sorry. Maybe I have to try other ones. I don't know. Let me know down below if there's any better ones. And if it's just the 518, that's not good. I'm gonna grab that orange shade, pat it on the crease. Just real messily. I don't really care. I keep forgetting I have to talk about me. I am Ecuadorian. I come from South America, the equator. I was born there. I came to the United States when I was 5 years old. I've lived here since. Now I'm gonna go in with the purple right underneath that orange color in sort of a round shape. Trying to keep it a little bit neater than the orange. We're gonna grab a fluffier brush, sort of bridge those two together a little bit. Gonna add a little bit more orange because it looks like it disappeared. I'm really trying to talk, guys. I'm not a talker. Anywhere I go, either school or work, you can ask anyone. I'm just the quiet girl. I don't like talking. I rather think. I rather observe. Okay, now to go for the yellow, bright yellow color.
Of orange, we're going to slightly blur that in.
This getting to know me video is turning into quietly watch me do my makeup. I'm sorry. For my videos, I want to teach you guys that makeup can be messy. I'm not going to show you only the clips that I get everything perfect. I'm going to show you how I mess up and how I fix it. Does that look perfect to you? Obviously not. Now I'm going to grab the purple, bring it in closer because I'm doing a half cut crease. Grab a flat brush like this.
So I'm gonna go ahead and start from here. Make a circle. Grab more.
Okay, now we're gonna grab the same colors we used for the cut crease in opposite order. So obviously the purple went first. Now we're gonna go with the orange. And the yellow. We're gonna do it just towards the middle, and then we're gonna stop because I do want the front part to be lighter. And now white. Okay, that's not working out. It's not blending nicely. Okay. Now that it looks like a complete mess, we're gonna grab a fluffy brush and just blend all the colors together. I'm gonna show you how I make the cut crease perfect.
Because not everybody can get the perfect circle in the first try.
So what you're gonna do is take a brush like this, angled brow brush maybe, with the purple shade, the last one on your crease. Then you're gonna follow the shape that you want. Just like that. Perfect circle. Very messy circle. I'm going to sharpen up the side, clean it up. Oh, by the way, I'm obviously putting the orange under my eye.
Going to blend in a little bit of the purple in the outer corner.
Maybe I should add some of the yellow underneath. Now going into the shimmer shade, we're going to start to highlight. We're going to go ahead with eyeliner to bring it all in together. This is the e.l.f. liquid liner. I love it. It's only $2. So I'm gonna do my brows off camera because I'm running out of battery, okay? See you in the finished look. So I'm gonna make this outro quick. I filled in my eyebrows, I put on mascara, highlighter, and I threw on some wonky ass eyelashes. I'm trying to make this outro quick because I do not like wearing eyelashes. They make my eyes water. They're already making my eyeliner run. I even have lash glue on my lip. Ugh. Sometimes makeup's gonna have fails, and sometimes I'm not gonna fix them on a YouTube video for you because it is 5 AM and I haven't slept. I'm gonna show you some pictures of the finished look since a close-up of this is probably really gross. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for kind of getting to know me, although I barely talked. You know what? Sorry, beauty gurus out there. How could you wear these things? They're horrible. Maybe I'm not doing it right. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, give a like, share it. I don't know. That's it.